Hi everyone, Mr. Gabriel here checking in. Just going to explain and clarify your ISU for careers. Okay, so I went to content and clicked on Unit 4, culminating activity. Now remember the culminating activity of the ISU and the Google form final exam. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, this should be done by this Sunday by midnight or super early Monday morning. That way you can start civics promptly Monday morning and get moving toward that half credit. Like every other assignment, you'll have some learning goals, success criteria, and here are your instructions. So the ISU is going to be 3 parts. You're going to make one big document. Label it properly, please. Part A, Part B, Part C. Part A is the job package that you completed in Unit 2, Activity 3, which includes a job advertisement, the resume for the job advertisement, the cover letter, and thank you letter for that job advertisement that you found. The personal reflection, so just answer this question right here in a paragraph would suffice with the explanation for your answer. And then part C, very important, please only pick one of the following to illustrate some work from other courses to answer one of these bullet questions. Hope this helps. If you need anything, please email me. Happy working.